Hey guys, Bill Dow here. I can't wait to show you this. I have been developing some brand new PMO and project management AI tools. They're up on my website, buildowpmp.com. And I can't wait for you to try them. I'm going to show you a couple of those tools today. Ready to go? Okay, let me get over there. So first place you're going to go to is buildowpmp.com. Okay, you'll see that. And what we've done is we've created this online tools and quizzes section. So if you grab that right there, you're going to now see all these tools. So there's PMO Virtual Interview. Don't try that yet. That is brand new. I'm still working that. There's a Monte Carlo simulation. I'm going to walk you through that. There's a project schedule analyzer. I'm going to walk you through that. There's a project methodology selector. I'm going to walk you through that. And then there's some quizzes, some PMO Leadership Quiz and Project Management Quiz. So really excited about those as well. And I'm going to walk you through some of those. All right. So we got much more to come. Thank you so much, and we'll see you online. Thanks.